Hi guys, welcome to the Craft Time Studio, a space to spend your weekends for some creative me time. If you're like me, you're probably preparing for your Valentines slabs at this point in time, so I thought of making something to inspire with this abstract pastel Valentine slabs. For materials, you will need a clay roller, some custom blended polymer clay, a detail tool, clay blade, an extruder, and gold foil. A manual roller and some parchment paper. The first thing that I did was to get my extruder and the tear-shaped plate. I squeezed out my clay using this tear-shaped plate and then I cut it in half. And attach the bottoms together to make a small heart cane. I repeat these steps to make tiny hearts in different colors. Next, I condition the slab I'm placing my hearts on. I roll this out into the number 5 setting. I'm actually rolling it out into a thinner setting and cleaning out the edges. I am doing this because I know that I will place it on another slab later on. Then, I randomly place my cut hearts to fill the slab. If you've noticed, I didn't bother to reshape the hearts since I know that I will still be rolling this out later on. But if you're wanting to have perfectly shaped hearts, I suggest cooling your clay or popping it in the refrigerator for a bit to harden them. That way you get clean and nicely shaped hearts when you cut them out. After placing the hearts, I sprinkle in some gold leaf between the spaces of the hearts. Then I set this aside. I come back in with my main slab and condition it. Once it's properly conditioned, I roll it out into the number 4 setting. Going back to our accent slab, I first start getting my manual roller and some parchment paper to flatten my hearts. After rolling it out by hand, I again pass it through the machine in the number 5 setting. Then, I come back in with my main slab and cut it in the same size as the accent slab. As I want it to be abstract, I tear the accent slab and then place the torn strips on the main slab. Once the entire slab is filled, I pass it through the roller in the number 4 setting and fold it in half so that both sides get the design. As you look at the slab, even if it is an abstract one, you can still see hints of the heart, which is how I really wanted it to look. I didn't want an overly Valentine feel. It's also my first time to use gold leaf, and I thought it was quite pleasing to see its bits spread throughout the clay. From this slab, I was able to make earrings, charms, and clips. I am very happy with the variety of items that I was able to make from this slab. Well, I hope that you had fun watching this video. If you haven't yet, do consider liking my videos and subscribing to this channel. Every time I see your thumbs up buttons and see that you've been watching my videos, I really feel so motivated to continue on my crafting journey. Thanks again and have a crafty week ahead. Bye!